Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to set your iPhone lock screen to automatically shuffle between your favorite wallpapers using the new Photo Shuffle feature in iOS 26. Let's get started. First, go to your lock screen and long press on it. Now tap on the plus icon to add a new wallpaper. From the wallpaper options at the top, tap on Photo Shuffle. Once you're there, choose Select Photos manually at the bottom. Now just pick as many photos as you like. These are the ones your lock screen will rotate between. Once you're done selecting, tap the Done button in the top right corner. Give it a second, your shuffled wallpaper will be created. Now, if you tap the three dots on the bottom right, you can customize how often the wallpaper changes. You can set it to change daily, hourly, on tap, or when you lock the screen. It's totally up to you. And that's it. You've just created a dynamic, personalized lock screen that changes automatically. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iOS 26 tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.